How to see hidden contact number on IMO. In order to do that, you may follow up this method. So open up the IMO application first. And once you are there, in order to view the friend's contact number whose number is invisible, the person needs to have IMO app installed and needs to be logged in first. Once you go ahead and do that, the contact's phone number should be saved in your phone's contact list. If not, you may tap on the plus icon in the bottom left and go ahead and add that person. Tap on add friends and go ahead and add that person into your device. Once that is done, if the person is already added and if they have hidden their contacts, you may find the person in your IMO contacts list. So you may head over the contacts at the top right corner, and there you should be finding all of your contacts, including the one that you're trying to looking for. If you can't find it here, you may use the search bar in the bottom right corner and then go ahead and add up the friend. Just go ahead and search out the friend here and try to view their profile. Once you find their profile, you may go ahead and view their profile. And after that, click on the contact's name at the top and go ahead and try to view their profile picture to view their details as well. The phone number should be displayed within their IMO profile, similar to WhatsApp. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to view someone's profile who have hidden their profile in IMO. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.